OBS Studios is a great platform or a software with which you can live stream or record your screens. So that's why in this video I'm going to show you OBS Studio setup for screen recording. If you're trying to record your screens, then OBS Studios can be a great platform. It is advanced than any other platform out there, so you can choose OBS Studios, open up your app. Next, you'll see a similar interface. The first is the scenes option. You can click on this plus icon to add in a scene. You can name this scene anything you want. Next one is the screen capture. So if you click on this plus icon, you'll have the option to capture a bunch of things on your screen, or whether it be from any other device. To capture your whole screen, you can click on display capture and click on OK. This way your entire screens of your PCs or laptops will be captured. Now if you head over to settings, from here you can make your screen capture much more higher quality. If you click on video, you can choose the resolution of both the base and the output. If you click on this arrow, you can choose a higher resolution for both of these, base and the output. You can also increase the frame rate per second. So this way your video will be much more smoother. You can also manage the settings for the audio. If you have any external mic, then you can add in the mic from this area. You can select the mic. Now for the output of the result, you can click on output. Here you'll have the option to manage your output. If you click on this recording quality, here you'll have a few options. You can choose this option or this option. This way your files will be more larger and your quality will be better. You can also choose the format of your output. Now click on apply.